Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, everybody. It's Jessica, and I'm so excited to invite you to my fascinating tour of one of the most beautiful Mediterranean paradises, Sitges Beach. Do you hear the gentle sound of the sea from here? It will come to life with all the vibrant colors and aromas as soon as we start our expedition. So if you're interested in taking this dreamy journey with me, hit the like button, write your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get this adventure started. Sitges Beach is just 40 kilometers away from Barcelona, taking the coastal line, so it's easy to get there. As soon as you arrive, you'll get stunned by the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea and its picturesque bays. Get ready for a peaceful, sunny walk and a lot of anticipation and excitement. The protected Golden Sand Beach stretch is for 4 kilometers and is one of the most popular destinations for summer vacations. Come to discover the incredible cultural heritage and great diversity of plants, animals, and aquatic organisms that live here. And don't forget to check out the amazing fortresses and several watchtowers built here centuries ago. Here, you can also take part in numerous entertaining activities like beach volleyball, windsurfing, and SUP. All this and much more awaits us in Sitges Beach. I hope you're as excited as I am. Don't forget to hit the like button, write your opinion in the comments, and subscribe to my channel. It's time to begin our journey to this stunning Mediterranean paradise, Sitges Beach.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!